Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. All right, let's begin. First, open the Steam app on your phone and try signing into your Steam account. If you are locked out because of the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator, tap on I no longer have access to my authenticator on the login screen. Next, select Contact Steam Support for more help. This will open the Steam support page in your web browser where you can begin the recovery process. Scroll down and choose the option that says, I deleted or lost my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. After that, enter the email address connected to your Steam account. From the available recovery options, select the email verification option to have a verification link sent to your email. Steam will send you a recovery email with a verification link. Open the email and click Resume Recovery. Once the recovery page loads, click Remove Steam Guard Authenticator. After the authenticator is removed, you should be able to sign in to your Steam account normally again. So that's basically how you can remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. That's it for this video. Thanks.